welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope everyone's staying safe and doing good. Today I'm going to share with you guys a delicious Mexican chicken salad, Ensalada De Pollo. If you guys are interested in seeing how I create this dish, stay tuned and watch and let me show you. Alright you guys, for our ingredients today, tostada shells, pickled jalapeno pepper, mayonnaise, sour cream, sweet peas, whole kernel sweet corn, 1 cup sliced carrots, 3/4 cup nopales, 3/4 cup of onions, 4 shredded chicken breasts. Alright you guys, to our bowl we're going to add in about a cup of sour cream, one cup of our mayonnaise. Now if you guys like it with more mayonnaise, use more, less mayonnaise, use less, however you guys want to do it. So this is just the way that I do it. We're gonna go ahead and put in our 3/4 cup of carrots, and I will leave the recipe below, okay guys? All right. We're gonna be putting in our nopales. These are cactuses. It's from a cactus plant. If you guys can make them fresh, awesome, but if you can't, you're using today Donna Maria, and those ones are a really good brand too, all right? We have a 3/4 cup of onions right here, diced up. You guys are welcome to use purple onions or green onions too, or leave them out completely, but I like onions, so I'm gonna put it in. 1 cup of sweet corn. 1 can of that, all right? Make sure you guys drain it too, okay? 1 can of the sweet peas as well. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and cut up our jalapenos, okay? All right, you guys, so now we're gonna be using our jalapenos. Now this is where you guys need to make it your own. If you guys like it spicy, use more jalapenos, use the amount I'm using. If you don't, leave them out, but I would highly recommend using just maybe 1 or 2, even if you don't like the spice, because it really brings a lot of flavor, okay? So we're just gonna dice these up. Okay. So I left them kind of chunky because I like it like that. It's good to bite into a jalapeno, okay? So I'm gonna bring our bowl back. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that aside. All right. Okay, and now I'm gonna wash my hands and move on to the next step. All right, you guys, now this is optional, but I do have here a head of lettuce that has been shredded and washed. I do want to put it in here. It adds an extra texture inside here. You guys don't have to do it. It's just really brings it alive. I don't know how to explain it. Just lettuce always livens things up, okay? All right, so now we're gonna mix everything together in here, okay? The lettuce just really makes it more of like a salad. It adds more to it. It makes it more filling. I love it. It's very, very refreshing, okay? Now you guys can season this with salt and pepper, but I actually like to use garlic salt for this, okay? And again, do as much as you want and as little as you want, okay? This is a perfect meal for you guys to make if you're going swimming, if you're going to the lake, just out in the sun. It's very refreshing. Put it in a cooler, pack your tostadas. That's it, you got yourself a meal. Right? You guys want to taste it? See if it's good? I like mine. So now, let's go ahead and put in our chicken, okay? I'm gonna do it two handfuls first. It's easier to mix it that way. And if you guys want it to be a little bit more creamier, make more of the sour cream and mayonnaise mixture and pour it in here. Sometimes I like to have more. All right, you guys, so I pretty much have everything mixed together. I'm gonna go ahead and top it with a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. Again, that's optional. You don't have to add that if you don't want to, but I feel like it gives it a little extra flavor. All right, so go ahead and taste your chicken, okay? See if it needs any extra flavor. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more garlic salt. Mix that up. And try it again. All right, you guys, it's perfect. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna show you guys how I plate this and eat it, okay? All right, you guys, there you have it. You guys can see this is how I usually plate it. So I have the tostada. I took a lettuce, put it at the bottom, top it with your Ensalada De Pollo. Not required to do it this way, this is just the way I like it. And I always like to top it off with whatever's on hand. Tapatio or Valentina, my fave. But today we'll go with Tapatio. You guys let me know if you're a Tapatio or a Valentina fan, okay? Right, now to test. This is delicious, you guys. It's very refreshing. It's very filling. It's perfect. Perfect for a hot day like today. It's wonderful. I hope you guys really do try this recipe. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.